still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go.
Hi guys, welcome back if you've been here before, and if you're brand new, then I'm Emma.
I'm John.
And today we're in a veranda room on the Disney Magic.
We are, yes.
We're just gonna give you a quick room tour.
Why not?
Okay, let's go.
Let's do it.
So this is obviously where we came in. The door with the safety information.
Yeah.
We got our cards and stuff as well. Maybe flick a light on. Is there a light? We'll figure that out. We've got this big wardrobe. Oh, it's okay. We've got this big wardrobe with a ladder, a safe,
yes,
some drawers,
a big wardrobe, massive, loads of drawers,
lots and lots of space in there.
Yeah.
Life jackets. I guess we'll turn this way.
Okay.
Normally.
There we go. There's light. Let's see. Yep.
Right, loo, big mirror, H2O soap, towels, hello me, hairdryer, which is good because I didn't bring mine. And then this one is the, sink with a shower. It's a nice big shower actually for a cruise ship.
It is actually. Yeah.
And then all of the H2O products in there as well. So that's good. It looks decent. This I love, makeup remover towel. Okay, John, you want to take over?
No, you go.
So I got these drawers here, which is normally where John makes me unpack into, because he has a million things to hang up. A big full-length mirror.
Yes.
A bed. Do the test, John.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll do.
He was not getting back up there. The blanket at the bottom there. Some more drawers. And there's a fridge in one of these.
Yeah, this one, eh? Yeah, this one.
Yeah. The fridge. John's had real trouble with fridges this week.
Here you go.
Lots and lots and lots of drawers. This is obviously a sofa. The phone and USB.
Yeah.
Another big mirror goes away. Table.
That turns into a bed if you wanted it.
Mm-hmm.
You won't.
And
The balcony.
so you get 2 chairs, a little table, and this view.
Nice.
This view is not guaranteed.
Subject to change.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Awesome. Happy?
Yeah, so how you feeling?
Awesome. That looks amazing, doesn't it? I love it.
This is our little balcony.
I forgot we've got that there. That slide thing.
Yeah. Look at the water. There's a piano ferry going. That's our little room tour.
Yeah.
So, thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed, please don't forget to stick around, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and watch the rest of the vlogs.
Absolutely. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care.
Bye.
Oh, would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? For you turn